this video we will learn about how to manage categories in Magento. If you are using Magento CMS and if you would like to manage categories inside your Magento, then in that case log into Magento dashboard and then go to categories, which is given under catalog. Now from here, first of all add a root category so that you can categorize the products. For example, here we are adding a root category as hard disk. Now from here you can update the content of your hard disk category. From this section you can update your display settings like display mode, anchor or product listing sorting. From this section, that is search engine optimization, you can enter your meta title meta keywords, which is helpful for the web crawlers like Google to crawl your page in the right position. From this option, that is products in category, this will help you to list out all the products which should be located in this category. Now under the design section you can update all the contents related to design. Once you are ready with all these settings, click over Save. Now in this way, your root category is created, which is hard disk. Now we will add a subcategory under the same root category. Suppose we have our main category as hard disk. Therefore, we will create a new subcategory as SSD. This explains that SSD comes under hard disk. There can be several types of hard disks. Once you have created a subcategory, click over Save. In this way, your subcategory will be created successfully.